Welcome, in front of me is a DOOGEE X95 and today I will show you how you can put this device into Bootloader. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and from there select power off. Once the phone turns off, simply hold the power key and volume up at the same time. Once you see this screen, you can let go of both of those keys and from there you can navigate through the three options that we have access to using only volume up, and volume down will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going on into the three options, we have first one, which is recovery mode, which obviously takes you to recovery mode. Then below that we have fastboot mode, and then lastly normal boot, which takes us back to Android, which is what I will confirm right now. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.